On this week's episode of Must Have Mondays, we have
the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. We're proud to announce our full line of brake components for the 4Runner. For decades, the 4Runner has been a go-to SUV for drivers who demand strength, reliability, and true off-road capability. And with the newest generation pushing the limits even further, DFC braking components ensure it stops with the same confidence it's known for on every trail, climb, and highway stretch. Built to perform where adventure begins, our DFC 5000 series pads and rotors combine OE-specific engineering with advanced thermal stability and precise bite. The result is consistent pedal feel, reduced fade, and durability that keeps pace with long treks and heavy use. Pair that with our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors and OE-specific hardware kits, and you have a complete solution engineered for lasting reliability, even in the toughest environments. For maximum convenience, these components are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, giving distributors a simpler way to stock and installers a faster way to get the job done. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by innovating, expanding our catalog quickly, and backing every partner with industry-leading service and fill rates. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Must Have Monday to see what we're launching next.